Hello guys, so let's understand today's question. Hi Dada. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's go. Hello guys, so today we are going to understand the question that we have is 1639, and this question has been asked in the topmost company like Microsoft, Amazon, and Atlassian, right? So make sure that you will do hands-on on this question. Okay, so let's understand. So we have given the statement that 1639, we have the question, right? So this is the Leetcode question. We have 1639 number of ways to form a target string given a dictionary, right? So you are given a list of what we have to do. Actually we have given number of number of ways to form a target string. We have to form a target string given a dictionary, right? So you are given a list of string of the same length, right? We have given a list of string of the same length, word and target, right? String target, two things we have given. So your task is to form target, right? We have to form a target using the given words. How? Like the target should be formed from left to right. To form the ith character of the target, you can choose kth character of the JS string in the word, and if the target of I equal to word of j and k, once you use kth character of jth string, you can no longer use the x character using the string, right? K is less than x. So in other words, all characters to the left of or at the index k become unusual for every string. So we have to repeat the process until you form this target. So notice that you use multiple characters from the same string in the word to provided the condition that above are met, and return the number of ways to form the target from words. And since the answer may be too large, right, we have to take the modulus 10 to the power 9 plus 7. 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so this is the word we have given, these are the words we have given, and target we have given. Okay, so let's understand how we'll do the implementation. Okay, so let me clean this one. Okay, so coming back to here, what are the things we have given here? So there is 6 way we can form the target, right? How? It is saying that first what we are going to form, that ABA, right? At index 0, what we have, A we have, right? And yeah, and index B, index 1, at here we also have B, right? Here as you can see, A is here, B is here, and index C that we have is A, right? A, B, A. So this is the way we can form. Okay, now similarly we have the another one in to form the ABA. Index 0 we can select A, at index 2 we can select either one of these, right? And like this we will select. So in this approach you will see we have 6 ways. How many ways? 6 ways we have, right? So you can read these questions, right, explanations, right? So each way, either of the given string, right, word at some actually words is nothing but our word. Words is the string, right, here. So each string we will take and or a character at any of these, right? Character at the each character, right? You can see it's a combination of string, right? So each string we will take and it's take the character at that string, and if the index is matching with the to forming the target, we will say we can say that this is our way approach, right? Now similarly we have this one, right? You can the same thing we have, it's not a big deal, right? As you can see we have to form BAB, and they have the string here given, right? So to make the BAB, right, the first what we will choose, either we'll choose B. So from BAB we will choose B here, and then we have index at BA, we'll choose A, and we'll choose B another one A from this one. So we can form like this. Okay, so total 4 approaches we have, and that's why our output is 4. Now what we have to understand, we will use dynamic programming, right? That is called bottom up, because if we have you can say n number of n is the number of elements in the words, right? If the words list is n number of words we have given, right? And m is nothing but our target. So if this is the length, that we have of words we have, and m is the target length we have, right? And we can say k will be our length of a string that we have in the word, right? Each word, right? In the words you can say. So what we have to do, we will think that words, we have given these words, and words as a matrix containing n rows will take n rows, and k columns, right? K is the length of the word, right? That will take. So this is our row, and this is your column. Okay, so the processing the process of target processing thing, how we'll do that. So the process of building target is how we'll select this. Let's suppose, give me 1 minute. Okay, so let's understand how we'll do the approach, right? So first of all, the process of building the target is how we'll do that. Let's understand. So we will iterate over you can say we'll take a matrix, right? So we'll take we will iterate over columns of a matrix from left to right, from left to right we'll do. And as we have here, right? So at each of them, right, we have two options: to pick a character at the current column or to skip, right? Either we'll select or we'll skip, right? Okay, so only two approaches we have. Okay, so let's understand. First we will iterate through here to here, left to right, and then we'll for each column, right? For each column you can say either what we will do, either we'll pick the character at the current column, or what we will do, either we'll skip. Okay, so let's go to understand. So first of all, we have this one column, the first column, right? A, B, C, we have the data here. So first we'll pick A because A is in the target, right? As you can see. So that's why we have to select this A, because A is in the target. Okay, so we are taking as a A. Now we will see that we will move to the next column, and we'll check CBA, right? Is it there, right? So if we have at this column, then we will see, yeah, we have B, right? So we will select this B at this from this you can say index, right? And we will get the value. Now our B will form the target because we are searching what? B. Now A is searched, B is searched. Okay, now the A we have to search, right? And we'll traverse to the next column, right? In the next column we'll check if A is there, right? So what we have seen, we have A here. Okay, so in this way we'll try to form this you can say target, right? And once we have our target is ready, we will store the you can say number of ways, right? So let's suppose we have here, let's suppose what we are trying to see here. So let's suppose we have dp at I and j. Okay, so dp of I and j is the you can say number of ways to build you can say the a prefix of the target, right? We are building the you can say prefix, right, of target. Okay, and if we are using I and j, that is our leftmost column that we will see later. Okay, so how this will work, and that how we're going to use, right? So first of all, we know that if we have, right, I, and we are using j, right? So length is this is your length, right? This is your length for the target, right? And j we will select our leftmost column, that how we'll select that one, right? And that we will see. Okay, so there are many, means if j is our you can say column, right? Then what we have to consider, we have to consider which character we are going to see. Okay, so better let's go to the programming section and we'll do the implementation directly, right? So you will understand there. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are here and we are going to do the implementation, right? So to do the implementation, what we have to do, first of all, we have given words we have given, and another we have given is target, right? So first we'll take 26 alphabet, right? So to get that alphabet, let me check. Yeah, we're in the full mode. Okay, so first of all, what we have given words we have given, and target we have given. So first we'll take int equal to we'll take alphabet, right? So alphabets we have, and this is about 26 letters. Okay, and after this what we'll take, we have given mode, right? To do find the mode, what we have given, 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? 10 to the power like this, where is that symbol? 10 to the power 9 and plus 7, right? We have given. So either you will do this one, or what you can do, you can provide how many zeros, right? 0 0 0, and I think it will come how many 0 will come? Give me 1 second, let me calculate. It should come 10 to the power 3, and then we have to take 3 and 9, right? So 10 to the power 9 means 9 zeros we have to take, right? So 9 0 we have to take like this, and then this, right? And then we'll do what? Plus 7. So after doing the sum, this will become what? 7, correct? And then we will make like this, yeah, like this. Okay, so 10 to the power 9 plus 7 we have, right? So we will take like this the mode, right? And after the implementation, right, we'll if the value is coming more, right, we'll do the mode. That's why we are taking. Okay, now what we will take, we'll take m is nothing but our target length, our target dot length will take, and next what we have, we'll take int k, and k is nothing but our words of you can say 1 words, right? And for 1 words we'll take 0, and we'll do length, right? And this is nothing but like this. Okay, so we will have our m and k, and we'll use one count to calculate all our number of ways, right? How we'll do that? We'll take you can say nothing but we'll take a current, right? And we'll store here, right? So I'll take our current, and this current is nothing but our 2D array, right? And this 2D array will store what? Two things, new int, and it will take what? First of all, alphabet will take, right? Alphabet, let me copy from here, alphabet, and another it will take what? The another will take its value, that is our we have is k. Okay, I think you got me. Next what we have to do, we'll take we have to iterate, right? Over where? Iterate over j is nothing but our 0, and j should go to its length, that is k, and j plus plus. Okay, and after this what we will create, we'll make a for loop, and we'll say string w, right? A string word is nothing but our words, and from here what we'll do, we have our current. On the current, what we will do, we will take what, word, and another will take what, it's caret word, right? Words dot caret, yeah, and we'll pass what, j, and we'll do minus a to store its value, and this is nothing but our j, and we'll do plus plus, we'll increment each time. Okay, so we'll store our current value, and we'll store all these values here. Okay, now after completing this, what we'll take a long, and that is nothing but our dp. This dp will take 2D array, and this is nothing but our new, and long will take m plus 1 and then k plus 1. This is our dp. After forming this dp, we'll take what, dp at 0 is nothing but our 1. This is our base case. After forming this, we'll go to I and j, right? So to go to, we'll make for loop, and we'll traverse in all I equal to 0, and I should be less than k, and I plus plus. Okay, now we'll go to for int j equal to 0, and j should be less than what, k, and j plus plus, right? Then we'll do if I is less than m. In that case, what will happen, dp at I plus 1 and dp at j plus 1. dp at I plus 1 and j plus 1 is nothing but what, plus equal to current at, we had what, target dot caret target at caret, will use I, right? And we'll do what, minus a. Okay, you know this, right? And after making this, we'll do j, and we'll do star dp at I and j, right? Now what we'll do add I plus 1 j plus 1, and we'll take mod equal to mod, right? After this, let me complete this one here, and then we'll take dp at I and j plus 1 is what, dp at I and j plus 1 is what, we'll take plus equal to dp at what, dp at I and j, like this, right? Then we'll do dp at I plus dp at j plus 1 equal to what, really, again we have to mod, right? So we'll do this mod. After this, we're making mod, we'll do return here, right? We'll complete this one, then this one, then we'll return here, return int, we'll convert into int, we'll put what, dp at m and k. Now run it. So understand what we are doing here, right? Okay, so first of all, what we will do here, we will declare our matrix, right? We will declare our matrix, we will initialize it with zeros, right? And we'll iterate over j. We are doing initialization, right? After initializing this, we will take the matrix, right? And we initialize with all zeros, and after that what we will doing here, we will iterate j over from 0 to k minus 1, right? We'll do, and we'll while doing iterating, we will iterate word over words, and we'll increment this value, right? When we are storing onto the matrix, right? So the matrix will store what word of j, and we'll do minus a, right? And we'll store at j, right here. So for each column we are getting our value, and we are storing here, right, on the matrix. Now we will declare a dp matrix, and this dp matrix will initialize it with zeros, right? And we'll set dp at 0 and 0 is 1, because this is our base case of the dp, right? And then we'll iterate I from 0 to m, right? So we are iterating from 0 to m actually here. Okay, so each time what will happen, okay, we are not starting with m, it's k, right? So each time what will happen, we'll iterate it with 0 to I equal to 0 to I should be less than equal to m, right? So let me do like this, okay, like this. Okay, yeah. So we'll start with I equal to 0, and I should be greater less than equal to m, right? We'll iterate like this, means we are iterating I from 0 to m, and we'll iterate j from 0 to k minus 1, right? 0 to k minus 1 will iterate, right? So once this iteration is happening, at that time we will check if I is less than m, right? If I is less than m, then what will happen here, we will add we will add dp of I and j, and we'll multiply this with this one, right? Like this, as you can see. So after once this is done, right, multiplying, right, we'll pick the character target I, and from the jth column, you can say. So and we'll store the value, right? And if it is not happening, right, then if it is not less than m, right, then what we'll do, we'll add onto the we'll add dp at I and j to dp of I j plus 1. We will skipping the column, and we'll moving to the next, right? So for only we have to check if I is less than m. If it is I less than m, then we'll store at this position, right? We'll doing this one, right? We are selecting this target character, we are storing here, right? If not, then we will skip the column like this. We'll do j to j plus 1. From j we are going to j plus 1, and we are incrementing our you can say what we can say, this column, right? So we'll here, as you can see, we are going to I plus 1 and j plus 1, but here we will only skipping column, so we'll say j plus 1 only, okay? And we'll return this one. Let me run this one. This is working fine. So if we'll talk about the time complexity, it will happen, it will go to n into k and m into k, right? Time complexity, and space is m into k only, because see, we are going we have our what, we are having k, and it is going to words length, right? And similarly we are having here m and k, right? 2 times we are going. So n into k and m into k will do the you can say complexity. And for the space complexity, we are storing onto here, so we'll take what, m into k, right? M into k we are going, right, like this, you can say. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe so that you will get more videos like. Thank you so much for watching this one.